And here we are at the Hyatt Ziva Los Cabos 1-bedroom ocean view suite. We have a full living room with a pull-out sofa. And on this wall, plenty of space. You have your mini bar, your TV, more space below. You have your cold drinks, lots of selection in there. All sorts of stuff. Tecate, juice, pop, water, even some Jack Daniels, coffee. Moving along, we have a gorgeous full-size dining room table that can seat up to 6. There's another hutch with lots of storage. Coming into here, powder room, gorgeous. This leads to the main entry. There's your door. Coming this way, back through the dining room, living room. Let's go over here into the master bedroom. Master bedroom is gorgeous. 2 bedside tables, huge king-size bed, so comfortable. Plenty of storage on either side. You also have another sitting room here and pull-out sofa here. Lots of space here. Now, what is the best part of this? It's gonna be the view. Here we are, ocean view. Look at that. Gorgeous ocean view. They're setting up for a wedding right now, which is gorgeous. Can you see the swim-up suites? And over here, they have fire pits. What a great place to hang out. Coming back in the room, one of the most stunning aspects of this whole suite is going to be the master bath. So here we are again. Gorgeous bed, ceiling fan, lots of space. These doors completely close off to the bathroom, offering wonderful security. You see those doors? Open up the doors and you are into a whole master ensuite. You have 2 closets. Not sure if you can see in there. There's one big closet on this side. Turn around. There's another big closet on this side with your electronic safe. Also got extra bedding in there. Along here, you've got your open stand-up shower with rain shower head as well as regular head. Lots of room in here and great amenities. Look at the size of the bathtub. Perfect for relaxing. Lots of jets, lots of space. And over here, we have the double vanity sink. Lots of towels, lots of extras. They even give you a scale. And perfectly closed in bathroom toilet. I love that, lots of privacy. So there you have it. This is it, the 1-bedroom ocean view suite at the Hyatt Ziva Los Cabos. Stay tuned for lots more pictures.